Hi, did you know that you can set up a reset password for Entra ID or cloud only identities as well as hybrid joint identities as well, right? So there are these two options or these two flavors of password reset for the organizations that they can go ahead and implement and set it up, right? But there are different capabilities and different requirements to set it up, right? Let's take an example of Entra ID with a hybrid joint environment. When we have Entra ID Connect solution integrated with on-premises Active Directory to the Entra ID cloud, right? Now in this case, we got to configure password reset and a write back capability from cloud to on-premises so that it is going to make sure password is also available for users to reset and the same is synchronized back to the on-premises AD so that whenever user changes the password next time or at any time upon the integration, that same password is going to work for their identities and their actions, right? Otherwise, that's going to break a flow and user won't be able to access any of those workloads. Instead, they would be able to go ahead and access the cloud resources but not the on-premises one, and that's going to be failing for them. So that's in short the custom integration that we got to do, and without that it is not going to work at all. On the other hand, we have to also implement password reset using self-service password reset capability into the cloud only identities within Entra ID, and that's going to allow users to reset their own passwords. They would be able to change it as frequently as as per the organizations. And many organizations do follow a policy and enforce the users to reset their passwords on every 90 days or something. And depending on their policies, how they wanted to make sure users should be updating their passwords, changing it frequently or non-frequently, or keeping it for years, right? So those are also other ways where we got to define and change based on the organization policies, right? So let me know what are your scenarios you have seen, experienced, and how the projects or the organizations are looking at this when it comes to changing passwords from or to be very cautious and be active on the identities and everything, right? So that bad actors cannot get in and try to guess passwords and try to hack the accounts. So that's it for this one. Thanks for watching and bye for now.